Is it fermenting?
Yeah, it's fermentation, acidolactic fermentation.
Kiara uses leftover unripe Dorona grapes from the vineyard for her verjuice that is soft and acidic, like a light vinegar. What did you just put in there? What was that you just put in?
Sea asparagus and sea purslane. Please.
So this is the sea asparagus. This is the Italian version of samphire, which is a really great salty.
What did happen?
No. Sale. It's very salty, but it's
really
incredibly delicious. Actual gold leaf, as used by Renaissance artists. Stop it. No, it's delicious. It's perfectly balanced. Creamy, unctuous. Wow. Wow.